Hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Hacking News Series. Today we have 8 news, and all the news are very important because it's very something is booming in cyber world, right? So there is around 30,000 Facebook account has been compromised. Attackers are using that account for malicious script and session hijacking technique. By using all those things, the account was compromised, right? So right now, no password is recommended. If you're from not from cybersecurity, then probably it's good to understand, right? Key to take access of a Facebook account, it doesn't need a password, right? When there is any active session, if it got stolen, then probably you'll be having the access of the account, right? So it's not compulsory to have the password only. Anyways, next news related to DigiCert. So there is a legitimate DigiCert room certificate were wrongly flagged as malware, right? Yes, so this caused actually the security alert and system trust issue, right? So this could break the application that rely on trusted certificates. So you know what exactly the trusted certificate means here. Just let me know in the comment box. Anyways, if you want to secure a website, because there's a lot of government and all those private bodies are paying to secure a website, so you can get this program viehgroup.com/tci to learn about how to hack and secure a website. Okay, so you can learn web listen pen testing from here. Anyways, next news is coming from China. So there is an advanced Chinese group which is linked to China targeting Asian countries, right? So they are focusing government system and critical infrastructure. So they are using the stealth technique for long-term espionage. Stealth means you will not be able to see into the server, right? Next news is related to MOVEit. You might be heard of what is MOVEit. So there's a new vulnerability which is found in MOVEit file transfer software. We use it for the file transfer. So attackers can actually bypass authentication and access sensitive data. So this is actually the similar flaw previously caused a massive global breach. Right? You can see the versions. Next news related to BlueKit, and this is very important. So there is a new phishing kit which is called BlueKit. So they have 40 plus ready-made template. They have AI powered automations, and this make actually phishing very easy. So this is faster, easier, and more scalable. So this is being used by the dark web threat actors, right? And right now AI is making the phishing more dangerous than ever, right? Now next news is related to botnet. So there are many Android devices which found to be using ADB misconfiguration. ADB is Android debug bridge. When you develop an application and when you test the application, then you probably need to enable the ADB to access your phone via cable. So there is a misconfiguration a lot. So you can turn it off in developer option in your Android phone, and this is how you can be little secure. So right now attackers are accessing the device remotely and installing the application and stealing the data from ADB, right? You can see here. Next news related to Bitcoin, right? So authorized have arrested 276 individuals. They were running large-scale crypto scam centers, and victims were tricked into fake install investment, right? Next news is again related to cyber security world. So there are cyber criminals are using vishing, which is called voice phishing, SSO abuse, and they trick user into giving the account details, right? So it's very old practice, but still the people are getting caught into it. Now, last news is related to a APT group which is called Salt Typhoon. They are targeting an IBM subsidiary in Italy, which shows that European digital infrastructure is under threat and attackers found on sensitive corporate system, right? So even top companies are not safe from APT attacks. So that's what we have today. You can join this program because today is the last day. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.